17th sum. Prove that sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b. So I want to take the left hand side first. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. The formula for sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. The formula for sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here I can take this as a plus b into a minus b. So that can be written as a square minus b square. Here I can write this as sin square cos square b, sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. And then this cos square b can be written in terms of sin a, that is 1 minus sin square b. And here this cos square a can be written in terms of sin. So 1 minus sin square a into sin square b there. And then we can remove the brackets there. So if you want to remove the brackets, we have that sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b minus of sin square b plus sin square a sin square b. We can cancel the two things so that the remaining thing is sin square a minus sin square b, which we require the answer. On the second division, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b, which is equal to cos square b minus sin square a. The left hand side I have cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. The formula for cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. The formula for cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here I have as a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Here it's nothing but cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. Here I want to convert this cos square in b in terms of sin. So it will be 1 minus sin square b minus of this sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square, and then I want to remove the brackets so that we have cos square a minus sin square b cos square a minus sin square b plus cos square a into sin square b. Then we can cancel these two terms. So the remaining terms are cos square a minus sin square b. This is on the left hand side. And then I want to take this cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a sin square b. Already we proved this. I want to take this cos square a as 1 minus sin square a and this sin square b as 1 minus cos square b. Then again I want to remove the brackets there. If you remove the brackets, these two terms will be get cancelled. So the remaining thing is cos square a minus sin square a. This is the other proof we want to prove there. The next one we have sin square a plus b minus sin square of a minus b equal to sin 2a into sin 2b. Now take the left hand side. That left hand side is sin square of a plus b, and here sin square of a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is sin of a plus b is here sin of a plus b, that is a plus b plus a minus b, here sin of a plus b minus of a minus b. We can cancel everything so that this b and b, and here this a and a. So that answer will be sin 2a plus sin 2b. The fourth one, cos 8 theta into cos 2 theta equal to cos square 5 theta into sin square 3 theta. So I want to take that cos square 5 theta minus sin square 3 theta. So this can be written as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So that cos 8 theta plus cos 2 theta. For this 5 theta and 3 theta, that is 8 theta. This 5 theta minus 3 theta is cos 2 theta. The only thing we are using the formula cos square a minus cos square b minus sin square a equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So that we got the proof like this. Sum. Show that cos square a plus cos square b minus 2 cos a cos b cos of a plus b equal to sin square of a plus b. First I want to take the left hand side of this. That left hand side is nothing but cos square a plus cos square b minus 2 cos a cos b into cos of a plus b. Here this cos square b can be written in terms of sin, that is 1 minus sin square b. And then group this cos square a and this sin square b like this. This 1 minus 2 cos a cos b into cos of a plus b is as it is. We want to keep as it is here. And then this cos square minus sin square can be written as the formula like this, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. The remaining things are there, 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos of a plus b as it is there. And then from these two terms I have the common factor cos of a plus b and cos of a plus b here. So take cos of a plus b as the common factor. The remaining things are cos of a minus b here, and then here 2 cos a cos b is here. This one is the separate term, so keep as it is there. It is the separate thing here. And then inside the bracket I have cos of a plus b, a minus b. That formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus 2 cos a cos b is there already. If you simplify these things, it will be sin a sin b minus cos a cos b. And then again I can write the formula, I can write this as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the formula for cos of a plus b. So already we have the factor as cos of a plus b there. So if you multiply both the things, it will be cos square. This plus 1 is here. So I can write this as 1 minus cos square a plus b. This minus I can take from the previous step there. You can change the step, no? You can change the term here, so that 1 minus came here. This term can be written like this. I want to take 1 minus here, that is minus is here, so that I got the required answer there.